Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying permissions and logging in. Make sure you are the creator on Patreon and you hold an admin or server manager role on the Discord server. Once logged into Patreon, go to Creator Settings and enable third-party integrations. This allows OAuth connections. At the same time, open Discord in a browser or desktop app and select the target server so you're ready to authorize. Don't skip permission checks, because the link won't complete without proper roles and integration toggles enabled. Now perform the actual connection. In Patreon, open Integrations, click Discord, then choose Connect. Patreon will initiate an OAuth flow. When prompted, select the exact Discord server and grant the requested permissions. Manage roles and read member info, so Patreon can assign roles automatically. Next, return to Patreon's integration page and map each membership tier to a corresponding Discord role. This mapping controls who gains access to exclusive channels. Take your time with role names so membership changes stay predictable and scalable. Finish by testing the flow with a patron account. Subscribe, then confirm the assigned Discord role and channel access. If roles don't appear, first resync from Patreon's integration page. If that fails, reauthorize the OAuth connection in Discord to refresh tokens. Also inspect Discord's role hierarchy. Patreon-assigned roles must be below your bot/manager role to be applied. Finally, clear any cache or have the patron relog if necessary, because client-side caching can delay visible role assignments even after server-side changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.